Let's walk through how to connect and integrate a third-party application. This is where your Ring experience starts to expand by linking third-party services directly to your devices. All third-party app integrations require a Ring subscription plan. Additionally, every third-party app may require a separate subscription. Refer to the third-party app details to see trial and subscription information. Take some time to find the app that best fits your needs. Once you've found an app you'd like to use, click on it to open the app details page. Here you'll find everything you need to make an informed decision. Once you're ready to proceed, click the button to initiate the third-party app integration process. Next, you will be directed to the consent screen. Read the details on how your Ring data that will be shared with the third-party app, and then proceed. This step ensures you understand what data and devices the third-party app will have access to once connected. After agreeing, you'll be prompted to select the property you want to register with this app. Next, you'll choose which devices you want to connect with the third-party app. Here you'll see a list of available devices at your selected property, along with the cost per device per month, so you know exactly what to expect before committing. Select the devices you'd like to include and continue to the next step. Once you've registered your location, devices, and if necessary paid, you'll want to navigate back to the Ring app and the My Apps page. The My Apps page is your central hub for all third-party apps currently added to your Ring account. Each app on this page displays its current connection status, so you always know where things stand. The three types of connection statuses are active status. This status shows successful connection, and the third-party app is receiving data from your selected devices. Pending status. This status indicates the setup is incomplete. You'll need to visit the third-party app to finish configuration. Lastly, an inactive status. This status will require your attention. An app will be inactive if all device access has been paused, subscription is canceled, paused, or there is any other error with the integration. Do check the apps to see what action is required. Since we just added a new app to our account, you'll notice its status is currently pending. This means setup isn't quite complete yet. We'll finish that in the next step. From here, you'll complete the final step of connecting to the third-party service. Select the newly added third-party app from your My Apps page, then click Sign In, even if you don't have an account yet. This will open a new tab in your web browser and take you to the third-party app's website, where you can sign up if you're new to the app and need to create an account, or log in if you already have an existing account with the third-party service. Different third-party apps offer different platform support. Some apps may offer a web sign-in and sign-up or require you to download the third-party mobile app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store to sign up. Once signed in or registered, your app will be fully connected and active, ready to start working with your Ring devices. You can use the Go to App button to visit the third-party app to view any of the functionality offered by them. For additional information, refer to the Ring Help articles at ring.com/support.